Vitamin B3, better known as niacinamide, is everywhere. It is seemingly injected into every modern cleanser, serum, and moisturizer on the shelf. Yet, despite the abundance of products containing the ingredient, consumer frustration is high. Users aren't seeing their dark spots fade, and their breakouts remain largely unchanged. For many, the promised results have been replaced by tangible side effects, with users reporting sudden redness and skin irritation from products marketed as calming agents. Skincare brands have responded to this lack of results by aggressively increasing concentrations, pushing standalone serums at 10 or 15% as a necessary upgrade. Niacinamide is a biologically effective ingredient, but its clinical reputation is undermined by a marketing arms race that ignores the specific ways this molecule interacts with human cells. To understand why the current trend is failing, we have to look at what happens when niacinamide actually penetrates the top layer of the skin. Once absorbed, it converts into a vital coenzyme called NAD, initiating all downstream biochemical changes. It strengthens the lipid bilayer to trap hydration, calms inflammation, decreases surface oil, and actively blocks the transfer of melanin to the skin's surface. This versatility confirms the ingredient is active, but it also defines its limitation. Niacinamide is a generalist that lacks the specific intensity of a specialized hero ingredient. Within a clinical context, niacinamide is the ultimate jack of all trades, master of none. Because its impact is spread across multiple cellular pathways, it is rarely powerful enough to resolve severe acne or deep-set melasma as a standalone treatment. Research indicates a clear ceiling, maximum biological efficacy if achieves between 2 and 5%. Benefits completely flatline past that threshold. Standalone serums at 10 or 15% offer no increased results, but significantly spike the risk of skin irritation. Chasing higher percentages is a cycle of diminishing returns. Real results require a shift in strategy, moving away from using niacinamide as a heavy-hitting cure-all. The solution is to demote niacinamide from the hero of your routine to a supporting actor. This is achieved through synergy, pairing this foundational generalist with a highly targeted active ingredient to multiply their collective impact. To address dark spots, pair the pigment-blocking function of niacinamide with a retinoid or exfoliating acid that removes existing surface damage. For oily skin and large pores, combine niacinamide with salicylic acid, which penetrates deep to clear the blockages niacinamide is helping prevent. To treat acne and persistent redness, combine it with azelaic acid or adapalene to target localized bacteria and inflammation simultaneously. And for general barrier repair, use it alongside ceramides to rebuild the skin's protective structure. Resolving complex skin issues requires an architectural approach. Niacinamide provides the healthy foundation, while targeted actives perform the specialized repair work. In practical terms, this means you can stop spending money on expensive, high-concentration standalone serums. Instead, look for baseline products, like a daily moisturizer or a broad-spectrum sunscreen, that already include a 2 to 5% concentration in their formula. This allows you to integrate the ingredient into your routine twice a day, without adding the irritation or the cost of an extra step. Consistency over months and years is far more effective for cellular health than shocking the skin with occasional high doses. When we respect its biological limits and pair it with the right partners, niacinamide finally becomes what it was meant to be, the ultimate team player for your skin.